today. Have ended without any breakthrough. The farmers remain adamant on repealing of the new laws. The third round of talks will now take place on Saturday, the 5th of December. This after prolonged marathon negotiations failed to achieve a breakthrough. The farmers continue to demand a strict national law on a minimum support price. The Agriculture Minister says that the MSP and the Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee's concerns will be looked into by the government. They will consider some form of tax parity between the mandis of the APMC and those of the private producers. An attempt being made to assuage the farmers who are convinced that this will lead to the corporatization of agriculture. Let's go to our correspondents who are joining us at the moment. Rahul Srivastav is live from Vigyan Bhavan where that marathon meeting took place. Maushmi Singh is live from the Singhu border where farmer groups have gathered in large numbers at the moment. First to you, Rahul, is there any sign of a potential breakthrough? And if so, is the government willing to relent on amending the law if necessary? Okay, we are not getting Rahul Srivastav's mic, unfortunately. Maushmi Singh, what is the sense among the farmers that you are meeting there? Are they now open, flexible to a potential breakthrough? Are they adamant a complete rollback of the laws?
Rajdeep, we are where the action is, and as the bus carrying a full bus loaded with farmer leaders is actually zipping past the national capital, there is, we can say, a thaw in the entire standoff, likely with the farmer leaders here in a very, very upbeat mood. They really think that from the first meeting, they have come a bit forward, though not completely big takeaways from the meeting, but we have joined by leaders who are actually spearheading this entire campaign. Jagjit Singh Dallewala is right here. Oops, that's the break, but let's hope there are no breaks in the entire conversation or communication that the government is having with the farmers. Darshan Pal, who was an MD in anesthesia, switched sides, and there are multiple such farm leaders who have actually, Rajdeep, taken the baton to spearhead this campaign. Darshan Palji, do you really see that there are some big takeaways? The government, in fact, in a mood to listen?
I think the government today was in a very weak mood, and the farmers' organization explained very deeply and very in a concrete way about the weaknesses of all the three acts. And ultimately also the farmers raised the issue that they will not accept anything less than the repeal of these three acts. So the government, who was represented by three ministers and their bureaucrats, then they went twice to the balcony, discussed there, and finally they came with some reforms in the acts.
I'm told that there were 9 points that you convinced them that these 9 points were actually very, very weak points in the entire bill, and apparently the government really thought that there could be a think over on those 9 points.
We raised those issues about the APMC Act and also about the contract farming. So government came with some points that in APMC, the private yard will be.
Mostly there is one question: are the farmers
we have to have registration of the private player, and also in some points, for some points they came with this.
My simple question is: are the farmer unions united?
The MSP and assured procurement regime that they are going to guarantee them, but the details of that are yet to be finalized.
Are the farmer unions united on this issue? Are the farmer unions united on the issue, or is there a division between the left unions that want a maximalist repeal of the law and the other bodies which are ready to negotiate with the government?
देखिए एकजुट की
क्या आप लोग एकजुट है? राजदीप ने पूछा कि जिस लगातार अलग अलग यूनियंस इसमें जुड़ी है, कुछ नहीं जुड़ी है, क्या आप लोग एकजुट है इन सारे मसलों पर? कई लोग नहीं चाहते हैं रिपील, कई लोग अलग अलग बात कह रहे हैं।
नहीं, सभी एक ही बात पर आए हैं, सभी एकजुट हैं। एक केवल यही इन्हीं की बात नहीं जो आज यहाँ पर बैठे हैं। देश का 500 संगठन है, वो सब एकजुट हैं इस पे कि हर हाल में ये कानून है जेडे रिपील होने चाहिए और एमएसपी की गारंटी हो। और एकजुट है केवल संगठन, किसान संगठन नहीं, आज पूरे भारत का हर वर्ग हमारे साथ है। पूरे वर्ल्ड में बैठे हमारे पंजाबी, हमारे हिंदुस्तानी भाई सब के सब हमारे साथ हैं।
अगर
और
अगर
सभी की
सरकार
आशीर्वाद
केवल
है,
लॉ
जिसकी वजह से आज हम इतना सफल हुए हैं कि सरकार जो कहती थी ना कानून बहुत बढ़िया है।
राजदीप सवाल पूछे, आस्क योर क्वेश्चन राजदीप।
No, my simple question is that there is a view that the left unions are the ones which are holding out now and are saying that they want a special session of parliament and a complete repeal, while other groups apparently are willing to accept some kind of amendments. Let's get it very clear. Are they saying the laws have to be rolled back completely?
जगजीत जी, ये क्लियरली बताइए कि क्या आपको ये अभी कुछ लेफ्ट यूनियंस हैं जो कह रही हैं कि हमें पूरा कानून वापस आप लीजिए, पर आप लोग एक राय बन रही है कि अगर कुछ संशोधन होते हैं उससे आप संतुष्ट रहेंगे। तो क्या बिल्कुल ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में बताइए, क्या तमाम जो किसान यूनियन है एकजुट है इस मसले पर या मतभेद है?
नहीं, अभी एक कहीं पर मतभेद का तो सवाल ही नहीं पैदा होता। ना लेफ्टिस्ट है कोई बात है, ना दूसरों की बात है। मैंने ये कहा है कि 500 संगठन देश के एकजुट है इस पे। हाँ, कोई इसमें लेफ्ट और राइट की फर्क नहीं है, सभी एकजुट है। सभी महसूस करते हैं कि हमारी जमीन जाएगी अगर ये कानून रहते हैं तो
संशोधन, ये बताइए, संशोधन से संतुष्ट होंगे कि कानून जो है उनको कैंसिल किया जाए, रद्द किया जाए?
सभी कानूनों को रद्द करवाने के लिए लड़ रहे हैं और बच्चा कानूनों को रद्द करवाने के लिए लड़ रहा है। सभी संगठन एक मत है कि कानून रद्द होने चाहिए।
Okay, so what you're getting, Maushami, and I know you're on a bus, so it's not easy. The sense that Maushami you're giving us is that there is a clarity that they want still, they are still taking the maximalist position, roll back the laws. That's the only acceptance. Rahul Srivastav, you've been tracking this from Vigyan Bhavan. Is the government in any mood to relent? Are they now looking at a way out? Because it would be hugely embarrassing for the government to roll back the farm laws. So is there a middle ground?